Air in the brake line is like that one fly in your soup. It's a small thing, causing a big problem. Imagine you're going for a nice drive and, oh no, you hit the brakes, but they feel mushy. Not good, right? This happens because air is compressible, unlike brake fluid, which isn't. When you push the pedal, instead of directly applying pressure to stop your car, the energy compresses the air first. So you're getting delayed braking. One common pain point here is safety. Let's face it, having unreliable brakes is like walking a tightrope without a safety net. No one wants that kind of anxiety when driving. Thankfully, there's a solution: bleeding the brakes. Bleeding the brakes is essentially removing the air from the brake lines. Think of it like burping the car's braking system. We want all the air out.
Just like Grandma says, no air bubbles in pancake batter.
First, get a brake bleeder kit. It's a handy tool and costs around $30. Worth it. Jack up your car safely. It's like putting your car to sleep while you work. And always make sure it's stable before you start. Remove the wheel to access the brake caliper. Locate the bleeder screw at the top because air rises. Folks, attach the bleeder hose to it. And remember, lefty, loosey, righty, tighty, it applies here too. Have a friend help two's company in this task. They'll pump the brake pedal to flush air out while you manage the bleeder screw. This helps push the air bubble out of its hiding spot. And you'll notice some frothy fluid first. Kind of like microfoam in a latte. And that's good. We want clear, bubble-free fluid. Keep refilling the brake fluid reservoir. Now, don't let it run dry. Air is an opportunist. Repeat this process for each wheel. It's a task, but worth it for solid brake pedals. Once done, tighten everything back up. Double check your work because you don't want any surprises on the road. Here's a pro tip. Do this every 2 years or 20,000 miles. Like changing your oil. It's a preventative measure. Better safe than spontaneously horizontal on the highway. People often overlook the importance of maintaining your braking system. But trust me, when that air bubble sneaks in, it's not fun. Being proactive about your car's health makes it easier later on. If in doubt, consult a professional. No harm in letting someone who does this daily take over. It's all about avoiding those sweaty palmed moments behind the wheel. Peace of mind is worth its weight in brake fluid.